Hi, you guys. I'm going to show you the best platforms to find high quality, copyright free videos and photos. These platforms offer a wide range of copyright content, royalty free content that you can use for both personal and commercial use without worrying about licensing issues. I'll also share how you can contribute to these platforms to make money. So let's go into my computer and I'll walk you through each site. So first up, you guys, is Pexels.com. Pexels offers an extensive collection of photos and illustrations and videos. And if you contribute your own content, you can apply a donate button, allowing users to support you directly. Okay, so we go to Pexels.com and you have photos up here. And from here, you can also choose from photos or videos. So let's click on photos, which it's already on photos. So you can scroll down and see what they have. You can also just type in what you're looking for, right? So say you're looking for images for travel, right? So type in travel and see what comes up. And here it says that you have over 6,000 stock photos. All these photos apply to travel, right? So these are all photos that you can add to your content. There are over 94,000 videos. So let's click on videos and see what they have. Just to preview the videos so that you can decide whether or not you want to download them, you just have to hover over them. Okay. Now, let's say you decide to download this video. All you have to do is click on the download button. Click download, and it downloads on your computer. You can also donate to this creator. You don't have to, but it's an option. But just to show you what the donate button looks like too, this is what the donate button looks like if you decide to upload your own content and apply a donate button to it. Okay, and people can also follow you. And you can also copy and paste the name of the contributor, the creator, in your project if you choose to. With this site, you don't have to give attribution. You don't have to give attribution or credit. So the next one, guys, is Pixabay. And this is what that interface, Pixabay's interface, looks like. Okay, similar to Pexels. It has Explore, Photos, Illustrations. So let's click on Photos. And Pixabay has over 3.9 million royalty-free stock photos. Okay, and you can choose, you could type in what you're looking for in the search bar here. So let's say food. Okay, my favorite. And then under food, of course, you have all of these other options. Okay. Ooh, cupcakes. Yum. Okay. Now it also has illustrations. So let's click on illustrations and see. And it has over 17,000 free food illustrations. Let's see what these look like. These are really good too, you guys. And as you can see, the background is transparent, so it'll be easy to use it in your videos or, whatever files or you want, projects you want to use it for. Okay. So click again and let's look at vectors. And it has over 3,000 vector foods. Okay. Very nice. The quality is amazing too, you guys. and their videos. And as you can see, all you have to do is hover. Okay. And you can use these in your videos. So how do you download? You click on the image or the video you want to download. You click on download over here and it'll upload on your computer. Okay, I'm sorry. And then it will download on your computer and you can use it as you wish. You can also check out my video here on the best websites to get copyright-free music for your videos or projects. The next one is Unsplash. And Unsplash focuses on photos and illustrations, you guys. If you're a creator, you can join the Unsplash Plus program, which allows creators to make money for their contributions. All right, so Unsplash, this is what you would see when you sign in. And just like the other two, all you need is an email address to create an account, a free account. Here are some photos. This is what you'll see once you log in. And if you're looking for anything specific, say play, you just type it in up there in the search bar. And on the play, you have subcategories: person, human, kid, and you can just scroll down and, find an image that you're looking for. They have illustrations as well. And the quality is amazing. Just amazing, you guys. Just keep in mind, you guys, wherever you see this plus, wherever you see the plus sign, that means you would have to pay to download those images or illustrations. So you need to find an image that does not have the plus sign. Okay? Go back to photos. So this does not have a plus sign, neither does this. So you would just have to click on the download sign. It would download on your computer, and then, that's it. You'd be able to use it. When you download the image, this text will pop up. It says to give a shout out to the creator on social or copy the text below to attribute. You do not have to give attribution on Unsplash. All of these images that do not have the plus sign, those are free to use, okay? It's just if you choose to do it, then you can. All right? The next one is called Coverr, Coverr. So it's two R's, .co. So this one is not a .com, it's a .co. Coverr specializes in videos and music. We're only dealing with video today and photos. Coverr also has AI generated images, but you would have to be able to use that feature. Okay, it's a new feature. It's over here, and I'll show you. But just so you see, this is what coverr.co looks like. Coverr.co. And you can just scroll down, just like all the others, and see the images. If you're looking for anything specific, you can just type it in here. So let's do family. There are the images that you can choose from. Okay, and just like the other sites, you have the subcategories that you can choose from. It's almost endless, you guys. These are the videos that you can choose from. And just like all the others, you just have to hover. Right, just hover over them. And then you can decide if this is what you want to use. Now, there are also photos as well. Their illustrations. Vectors. And you have AI generated uh, content. Okay. So to use the AI generated content, they're saying that they charge $24.99 per month. Okay. So you can play around with this and see if this is something you'd be interested in. If you're a content creator, these platforms also allow you to share your work with the world and to make money. So let's do a quick recap. On Pexels and Pixabay, you can add a donate button to your uploads. On Unsplash, you can join the Unsplash Plus program to earn money from your uploads. And while you can't earn money on Coverr, you can contribute your uploads for exposure and portfolio building. So whether you're a creator or a user, these platforms have something for everyone. So let me know in the comment section, which platform are you most excited about? Have you ever used these platforms? Will you be using these platforms? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.